Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see the wiper removal video first. For installation on a hook arm, the connector you will be using has been pre-installed for convenience. Follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Note, this wiper blade features an aerodynamic design with a sleek built-in spoiler. You will need to ensure your spoiler is facing the correct position. The spoiler should always face towards the windshield. Locate the arrow on the side of the connector. Using your finger, press and lift the front tab on the connector. The tab will lift to the side versus upward. Position the blade so the curved end of the connector slides into the hook shape of the arm. Pull the blade all the way to secure. Close the connector tab until you hear a click sound. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.